So in this video, I am going to check the left copies of class 5 AC. Today they have appeared the test, but it was not possible to check all the copies at a time. So now I'm going to check. So this copy belongs to Trisha Tekriwal. She has written my answers. Sir, please check my answers. Okay, let us check then. If there will be no platelets in our blood, then we will not able to prevent excess loss of blood. Okay, first one is correct. Arteries carries oxygen rich blood and from the heart to different oxygens. No, this one is wrong. You check this one. Okay, this one is not correct. Number 2. The left side of heart has oxygen rich blood and the right side of the heart has carbon dioxide rich blood. Blood is red colored liquid that carries oxygen, water and carbon dioxide. Prevent what you have written here, previous tests of our body. What you have written here. The organ system that transport nutrients. See, T you have not written correctly in a proper way. And your handwriting is also not up to the mark. You have to improve your handwriting also. Okay, so some grammatical mistakes are there in your answer. Trisha Tekriwal. Some mistakes are there. Let us check someone else copy. Now Ria Marodia. Let us check Ria Marodia's copy. Ria Marodia has written very nicely, very good. In this way, all of you need to write. Means your writing should be legible. Okay. If there are no platelets in the body, in the blood, sorry, then we will prevent excess loss of blood. No, this one also is a little bit mistake is there. If there are no platelets in the blood, then we will prevent excessive loss of blood. Now, question number 1, you have some grammatical mistakes. Arteries carry oxygen rich or oxygenated blood away from the heart of different organs. The organ systems that transport nutrients, gases, and other substances to different parts of our body is called the circulatory system. Correct? The left side of the heart has oxygen-rich blood, and the right side of the heart has carbon dioxide-rich blood. Okay, correct. Blood is a red-colored liquid that carries nutrients, oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide to various parts of the body through the blood vessels. Okay, your question number 3, 4, and 5 are completely correct, but question number 1 and 2, you have some mistakes. Okay, in question number 1, 2, you have some mistakes. Question number 1 and 2. Okay, check it properly. Now let us check Akrishta 5C. Okay, Akrishta. Why you have sent so many copies? Which is side of the heart? How you have written? I had told to each and everyone that you write only answer. Why you have written question also? And see your handwriting. Improve your handwriting. write in a proper way, then your copy will be checked. Not like that. Simply you have written. Improve your writing. Now Utsav. We have Utsav copy now. Let us check Utsav copy. What is blood? Blood is a red colored liquid that carries nutrients, oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide to various parts of our body. Okay. Question number 2. The organ system that transports nutrients, gases, and other substances to different parts of our body is called circulatory system. This one is also correct. Arteries carry oxygen. Arteries carry oxygen-rich or oxygenated blood away from the heart to different organs. If platelets will not in our body, then we will not able to prevent access. Rest answer you have written here in this page. Okay. Excess loss of blood. The left side of the heart has oxygen-rich blood and the right side of the heart has carbon dioxide-rich blood. Okay. Okay, your answer is correct. Good. So never think that how will I conduct that written test. See, I have conducted written test and I am checking your copies also, whatever you have written in your with your own hand. So concentrate at your study. Now let us check Shirish Ruby and Amit Keshri file, Amit Keshri copy. I think this page is not visible, so let me check. Yeah, this page is visible. Define circulatory system. The organ system that transports nutrients, gases, and other substances to different parts of our body is called circulatory system. I think he has done cheating. He has written question also and he has written nicely. And let me check the time when he sent the copies. Those who have sent at once means they have not done cheating. But those who have taken a lot of time after that they have sent means they have cheated. Let me check. At what time today I have started class 5 AC? Let me check the time first then. 5 AC 7:30. Okay, 7:30 class has begun and he has sent at 8:07. Okay, then fine. Blood is red colored liquid that carries nutrients, oxygen, water, carbon dioxide to other part of our body through the blood vessels. Okay, which side of the heart has oxygen rich blood and which side has carbon dioxide rich blood? So the left side of heart has oxygen rich blood and the right side has carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay, what will happen if there are no platelets in the blood? So if there are no platelets in the blood, then we will not be able to prevent excess loss of what? Here you have not completed in question number, this one, whatever, question number 4, I think this one is question number 4, you have not written completely. What are arteries? Arteries are the blood vessels that get blood away from the heart to different parts of our body. Okay, this one is correct. Question number 4 is not completed. By the way, you have written very nicely. Your handwriting is also good. So I am giving you good. Okay. Now let us check someone else copy. Here. Now we have His name is not written. Pratyush Pratap. Okay, he has written here his name Pratyush Pratap. First, let me save his name Pratyush Pratap. Let me check. Okay, first let me check copies. Then question number 2, he has not written. Blood is a red colored, okay, colored, colored liquid that carries nutrients, oxygen. Then you have to put comma also here. You have not mentioned comma. Carries nutrients, oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide to various spelling is also you have written wrong. If plateless spelling is also written wrong. Mistakes are there, many mistakes. Okay, so many mistakes are there. Now let me save his name, Pratyush Pratap. Pratyush Pratap. Pratyush Pratap 5C. Okay, Pratyush Pratap 5C. Okay, let me add it in 5AC group also. Let me add Pratyush Pratap. Pratyush Pratap is not coming in the list, search list. I don't know why. Pratyush Pratap 5C. Okay, no problem. I am sending you the link. 5AC link I am sending you. 5AC group link. Pratyush Pratap. You also can join. I have sent. You can see here. Okay, let us check someone else copy now. Let us check Molly Singh copy. Okay, Molly Singh. Molly Singh also, she has written nicely. She also has written, sir, please check my answer. You don't worry, you just have to send the answer to me. Whenever I will get time, I will check and I will make a video also so that record can be maintained. Blood vessels is a red colored liquid that carries nutrients, oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide to various parts of the body through blood vessels. Arteries carry oxygen or oxygenated blood away from the heart to different organs. Okay, correct. The left side of the heart has oxygen rich blood and right side of the heart has carbon dioxide rich blood. The organ system that transports nutrients, gases, and other substance is the different parts. Other substance is to. Now here you have done grammatical mistake, Molly. Is to is wrong. The organ system that transport nutrients, gases, and other substance to different parts of our body is called circulatory system. In question number 4, here you have done mistake. if platelets will not in our body, will not be in our body, okay, you have to put B here, then we will not prevent excess, we will not be able to prevent excess loss of blood. Question number 3, 4, and 5, grammatical mistake. Some grammatical mistakes, okay? Some grammatical mistake. Okay, now let us check. Someone else now. Today I will complete. Today I am going to complete all the copies. Now Dipanshu. Dipanshu, let me check Dipanshu's copy here. First of all, Dipanshu, you have to improve your handwriting. All of you are not in class 1 or 2. You don't belong to the KG section or class 1, 2. You have come now, all of you are grown up child. Now all of you have come in class 5. Even then you see your handwriting, improve your handwriting. Blood is red colored liquid that carries oxygen, water and carbon dioxide to various parts of the body through the blood vessels. Okay, arteries carry oxygen rich or oxygenated blood away from the heart to different organ. You have written oxygen. This one is wrong. Question number 2. The organ system that transports nutrients for two different parts of our body. Question number 2 and 3 also wrong. The left side of the heart has oxygen rich blood and the right side of the heart has carbon dioxide rich blood. If platelets will not in our body, if platelets will not be in our body, then we will not be able to prevent. In place of prevent, you have written vent. So question number 3, 4, 5, you have grammatical mistake. You have done mistake. In question number 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, and 5. Now let us check this one. Rafia Khatun. Now we have Rafia Khatun. Arteries carry oxygen-rich or oxygenated blood away from the heart to different organs. Okay, platelets are the smallest cell type in the blood. They are mainly responsible for clotting of blood at the place of an injury. But I have asked the question, what will happen if platelets are not there? Like that question is there, na? Your answer is what is platelets? Okay. So on the basis of that one, means on the basis of that question, what is platelets? According to that, answer is correct. But what I have asked, according to that, answer is not correct. The left side of the heart has oxygen-rich blood and the right side of the heart has carbon dioxide. The organ system that transports nutrients, gas, and other substances to different parts of our body is called the circulatory system. Blood is red colored liquid that carries nutrients, oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide to various parts of the body through the blood vessels. Okay, all answers are correct. But in question number 2, let me check what is the question. Let me open the book and let me check the question. Yes, question number 3 is there. What will happen if there are no platelets in the blood? Question number 2 is not correct. Rafia Khatun, question number 2 is not correct. Question number 2 is not correct. Now we have Shwetav Anand. Okay, Shwetav Anand. Okay, I have clicked on Myth Shivam copy. So let me check Myth Shivam copy. Your answer is not visible. Write properly. Okay. Your answer is not visible. Your answer is not visible. Now let me check Shwetav Anand now. Shwetav Anand. Shwetav Anand. The left side of the heart is oxygen rich blood and right side of the heart is carbon dioxide rich blood. The organ system that transport spelling you have written wrong. Transport spelling you have written wrong. Okay. Arteries carry oxygen rich or oxygenated blood away from the heart to different organs. If platelets are not in our body, then we will not able to prevent excess loss of blood. Okay, blood is a red colored liquid that carries nutrients, oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide to various parts of our body. Okay, all answer is correct, or all answers are correct, but in question number 2, transport spelling is wrong. One mistake. One mistake in question number 1. Sorry, in question number 2. Now let us check someone else's copy. Today I am going to finish checking, okay? Now Priyanshu Kumar. We have now Priyanshu Kumar copies. Very good, Priyanshu Kumar. Blood is a red colored liquid that carries nutrients, oxygen, waters, and carbon dioxide to various parts of the body. The organ system that transports nutrients, gases, and other substances to different parts of our body is called the circulatory system. Arteries carry oxygen-rich or oxygenated blood away from the heart to different organs. The left side of the heart has oxygen-rich blood, and the right side of the heart has carbon dioxide-rich blood. If platelets will not in our body, all of you need to write if platelets will not be in our body or present in our body, like that you need to write. Then we will not be able to prevent excess loss of blood. Okay, very little mistakes are there. You have written all answers correct, so you have got good. Shwetav Anand has written okay, sir. Okay. Then we have now Anshuman copy. Let us check Anshuman copy. Arteries carry oxygen-rich or oxygenated blood away from the heart to different organs. Define circulatory system. The organ system that transports nutrients, gases, and other substances to different parts of our body is called circulatory system. What will happen if there are no platelets in blood? If platelets will not in our blood, then we will not able to prevent excess loss of blood. Okay. What is blood? Blood is a red colored liquid. Liquid spelling what you have written here, liquid. You have written ed. Liquid that carries nutrients, oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide to various parts of our body. Okay. And the last question is here. The right side of the heart receives impure blood from the body through the what you have written, vena cava inferior. Okay. Superior vena cava. Okay. And what about the left? You have to mention left and right both. Question number 5 is not properly written. Question number 5 is incomplete. Question number 5 is incomplete. Now let us check. Adya Shakti. Adya Shakti has written, thank you, sir. Her copy has been checked. Now we have Aditya Sharan. Aditya Sharan. Aditya Sharan. Let us check Aditya Sharan copy. Your answer is not visible. The organ system that transports your answer is not properly written. Answer is not visible. Your answer is not visible. Okay. Now we have Shubham. Shubham copy. What are arteries? Arteries carry oxygen-rich or oxygenated blood. You have written too small. I'm not able to read out your question. Don't write like that. Improve your handwriting. Now let us check someone else. Now we have Disha Ambar. It prevents loss of blood. Okay. Their blood vessels carries left. Your answer is not properly written. Write properly. Okay. Those who will write in a proper way, only their copy will be checked. If you will write in a hodgepodge way, then I will not check your copy. Mayank Kumar has written, okay, sir. Then Richa Kumari. Okay, let us check Richa Kumari copy. Arteries carry oxygen-rich or oxygenated blood away from the heart to different organs. Okay, the left side of the heart has oxygen-rich blood, and the right side of the heart has carbon dioxide blood. The organ system that transports nutrients, gases, and other substances to different parts of our body is called the circulatory system. Okay, they are mainly responsible for clotting of blood at the place of injury. Question number 3, I think. What will happen if platelets will not be there in our body? So this answer is not written properly. Blood is a red colored liquid that carries nutrients, oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide to various parts of our body. Okay. So question number, they are mainly question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Your answer number 4 is not correct. Answer 4 is not written properly. Disha Ambar has written, so I have to write again. So I am writing yes. Why not? You have to improve. Okay, now we have only Anshika copy and Kumar Abhinav. So let us check. Sir, my name is Suryansh Akash. My sister's name is Anshika. Okay, let us check Kumar Abhinav copy. This one is the last one. Okay, then we'll end this class. My God, handwriting, see your handwriting. Improve your handwriting. Okay, so all test copy I have checked today. The test has been held today. So those whose copy were left. So I thought that today only I will check. Otherwise, I will not get time. So I have checked all copies, and those who are still left. So this is their responsibility. They have to send the answer. Then I will check and I will go through with that. But answer should be legible, properly written. If you will write in a hodgepodge way or in a zigzag way, your handwriting, if it is not good, then your marks also will be deducted in the final exam or quarterly exam. So keep studying. Syllabus is already completed, and whatever your problem is there, I will solve, no problem, but you have to study. Okay.